Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak fully load your Fire Stick for free movies, TV shows, sports, and more content. Follow me step by step, and I'm going to guide you how to fully load, jailbreak, and install the best store and the best setup for your Fire Stick to get the most content. As you can see, my Fire Stick is connected to the internet, and I'm logged into my account. So the first necessary step that we have to do is you're going to go to this gear icon right there, and once there, you're going to click on My Fire TV or My Device. Let's click on there. Once you're here, you're going to see I have developer options right there. If you don't have it, that's fine. Just click on that About button on your Fire Stick or Fire TV device. You'll see the name of the device. What you want to do is click 8 times on the name of the device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you're already a developer. So for you, what's it going to say? It's going to say now you are a developer. Okay, so that's the first vital step you want to do. You want to click back once you do that, and then you'll see you have developer options, and click one more back, and then click one more back to go to the main Fire Stick menu. From there, go into the search icon, find, and go click into the search field, and click inside of this field. Now, you can use the Alexa remote or by holding up the blue button, or you can just type in downloader. Downloader. I opted for the Alexa search, but you can just type in downloader as well. This will bring up the downloader application. Now, what you want to do, you want to click on that application, and you want to click the download button. What's that going to do? It's going to get the downloader application. It's going to download it, but we're not going to open it up yet. There's a couple of vital steps that we still have to do. So let this install. Let's not open it up yet. When this comes up, we're going to press the home button. The next step we're going to do now, we're going to simply go to the gear icon. You can see downloader is installed. Click on that and scroll down to My Device, My Fire TV again. Okay. Go into developer options, click on that. Install unknown apps, and then make sure the downloader tick mark is checked on to the on position. Once you check that on, press the home button, and there's another step we have to do to get the unlinked application. Go to Find, go to Search, click into the search box, and type in the following, your app name, IP Vanish. So this one, the Alexa doesn't pick up well, so we're just going to type it in fully, IP Vanish. ISH. Just like that, highlight it like that, and press the search, IP Vanish, okay? It's going to find an application with a green and white logo that looks exactly like this. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click to download the IPVanish VPN. What's that going to do? It's going to install the IPVanish VPN, which is going to be able to give you access to the Unlinked store, because what is happening, Unlinked store is being blocked by internet service providers, and you won't be able to get the updates, get the sports, get the movies, and get the updated applications from my store. This will give you access there, and to be able to load the Unlinked application, which gives you over 70 apps updated monthly or weekly, depending on the app. Everything is updated. So once IPVanish downloads, you'll get a notification. Let's open it up, and I'll show you how to set it up to get the most out of your Fire Stick. So you'll be presented with a login and password. So you're going to get your own login and password. So you can scan this barcode here, or you can go to this link here, this bit.ly link, also on the pinned comment and description. Go to that link. It'll bring you to a landing page. From there, you're going to be able to sign up for your package, and it's literally a latte at Starbucks per month, a coffee at Starbucks a month. That's how much it costs. A few dollars a month, unlimited devices, Fire Stick, iPhones, Android phones, and unlimited Fire Sticks, unlimited devices in your household, one account. So now I teamed up with IPVanish to give you guys 70% off. That's why it's a few dollars a month. It's an exclusive deal to my viewers to show you how to use this to be able to get inside of Unlinked. So pause this video if you need to get your own account. You'll go to this landing page. Here, you can scan this with your phone, or type in this short bit link here, or in the pinned comment description. Once you go on the landing page, sign up for your package, few bucks a month, coffee at Starbucks per month. That's how much it costs, one coffee. And you're going to get your own account. You're going to confirm your email from IPVanish, and you'll be able to sign in with your own email and password. Pause the video if you need to take care of that to get into Unlinked, because it's vital and necessary to go to the next stage. So pause the video, take care of that, and then we'll follow into the next stage of the video. Okay? So you can pause this and continue. I'll log into mine and I'll show you exactly what you would do when you log in with your own username and password. Okay, once you log in with your own username and password to the VPN, take these steps to get into Unlinked. Click on the gear icon and connect on Android Startup. You're going to flick that to on, press back. You're going to go to the location, click the location button right there. And from here, you're going to get countries. What you want to do, you want to scroll all the way to the United States. So let's do that. Scroll to the United States. Once you're there, click on United States. Say favorite United States by clicking on it. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Now press the OK button. Now the screen is going to flicker and you're going to be fully protected. So make sure you take that vital step to get IPVanish set up before we are able to install the Unlinked store. Okay, so we're going to hit the home button and we're going to now go back with our VPN running to the downloader application. We're going to click on it to open it up. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to press the OK button. We're going to click up here into this yellow box and we're going to put in the following URL. So unlinked.link is what we're going to put in. Okay, let's do that. Just unlinked.link. Once you put that unlinked.link, you're going to press the go button. It's going to take you to a page. And as you can see, I can move up and down, left to right, and I can browse the page. I'm going to scroll down until I see download APK Android. I'm going to click on that. What's going to happen, it's going to pop up and it's going to ask us to install the Unlinked application after downloading the application. Here we are. This pops up. I'm going to press the install button, but don't press the open button. Just press the done button, please. We have to do one last thing. I'm going to press the done button, press the delete button, followed by the delete button to delete the installation files. Let's press the home button. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go to the gear icon, followed by My Fire TV, My Device, click into that. And if you only see this, that's fine. Click back, click back, click back until you are in My Fire TV, My Device, click into it again. See developer options. You should see that. We've done that in the first step. You click on developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure we turn on the Unlinked on. Now, any movie apps or any sports apps you download, make sure you check in here and make sure you turn on the updates. Always allow updates, okay? Now I'm going to press the home button. Now we're ready to use the Unlinked application. I'm going to click on the Unlinked. It's going to open up the Unlinked application. And then here you want to click New Library. Just click on that. This will blink. Click into this blinking field, and we're going to put in the following code. So we're going to just put in Firestick, okay? Lowercase Firestick, just like that. And press the next button and don't press anything else. I'll explain in a minute. It's going to take you into the store. So this might be blurred out on your screen, but when you're doing this on your actual Firestick at home, it's not going to be blurred out. So what you want to do here, okay? You want to take a picture with your phone of this screen that tells you the best applications in my store that I've updated, the best setup going. This will always keep you updated and give you the best setup. Once you take a picture of this, you're just going to press the enter button when you're done that, okay? So I'm going to enter into my store and then I'll show you how to download applications and navigate the store, okay? So let's press enter to enter the store. The store has many categories. You can scroll up and down, left to right to go to movies, sports, live TV, all the categories are there. Top 5 apps for movies, top 6 apps for sports. Everything is there by scrolling up and down, left to right. For YouTube presentation purposes, I'm going to show you how to install Task Kill Firestick, Virus Total, but it would be in the same way you download and install any of those applications you find in my store by going up and down, left to right. So if you wanted to get some applications, simply highlight it just like that, click on it. You would say download. It'll start downloading the application, and when it's finished downloading, all you would have to do is press the install app. Just press like that, and this will pop up. We'll press the install button. The screen would flicker, and the app would be installed. That's how quickly you could install apps. We got Virus Total here as another example. You press the download button. This will come up. Okay. Install app. Press the install button, and they'll flicker the screen, and that would be done just like that, okay? And that installed 2 applications, okay? So we'll scroll up and down, left to right to get all the other applications that I'm mentioning for sports, movies, TV shows, and all that. It's all available in my store. So I'll go home, And you can see while I was accessing the store, so I'll open IPVanish, I was running the VPN for past 4 minutes, means I'm fully protected. I have full access to the Unlinked store. It's a cup of coffee per month. That's how much it costs. Make sure you're running IPVanish before accessing my store, just to be able to access it, because internet service providers are blocking. You might be able to enter the Unlinked store, but you might not be able to download. And on top of that, the apps may not function properly. So to take advantage of that deal, it's a few bucks a month for coffee, a cup of coffee a month. That's how much it costs. Scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link here or in the pinned comment description. You're going to get the best 70% discount through my partnership with IPVanish. Okay? So that's that. Make sure you're doing that. And then you can come back into the store at any time and you can get more applications into the Unlinked store. You can see the applications are installed here, but for some reason, if they didn't show up there, you can also click the gear icon here and you can go to applications. And you can go to manage installed applications. As you can see, if they don't install, you have issues. You might be out of space as well. So always check your space on your device. Very important. Manage installed applications. And then you can directly go here and you can launch them by clicking on it and launch application. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how you jailbreak, fully load the Fire Stick. You can go into my store at any time. The IPVanish is running. All the apps will show up here for sports, movies, TV shows, and everything else. Just a little note, some people have been knocking off my content in the Unlinked store, my apps and stuff like that. So make sure you drop a comment below. Just tell me what place you're from, what city and town you represent, what's your favorite food, or perhaps what's your favorite sports team. Just drop any comment below, because if there's a PIN number, I'll reply with that PIN number, that if I lock my store in the future, to this video's comments. So make sure you drop a comment, just even say hi. Very important. I don't ask for any money. I don't ask for any donations. Your comment matters. It's very, very important, okay? Drop a comment. I would highly appreciate it. Also follow me on the X account. That's also in the description. Appreciate all my followers, all my support. I'm growing my X account. See you guys on there for updates and things like that. If something doesn't work, also let me know in the comments below. Appreciate your support. Please hit the like button, share the video, and very important, like I said, drop the comment below and follow me on X. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you guys and gals for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. And let me know if you're satisfied with this content and if it's working for you. Take care. Have a blessed day.